student. I am Trupti's father. My name is Himmat Bhai. I am a farmer.
She is my mother. Hello student, I am a Trupti's mother. My name is Bhavna Ben. I am housewife. Trupti is my daughter. He is my uncle. Hello student, I am Trupti's uncle. I am a doctor. My name is Vittal Bhai. She is my auntie.
Hello student. I am Trupti's auntie. My name is Kinjal. I am a teacher.
He is my big brother. Hello student, I am Trupti's big brother. My name is Silas. I am college student. She is my elder sister. Hello student, I am Trupti's sister. My name is Anita. I also study in Girls Primary School.
Hello family.
Hello.
I am photographer. I will take your family photo. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Welcome.